Salam rahmatullah. It's 22nd of November, Friday. I've got a little bit of purple rain seed, potato seed left, which I have not planted. So here's the bed where I'm going to do that. These are the seed potatoes here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put them on the bed and cover them up with light mulch and then water it. And then put a heavy layer of mulch on top. And that's about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll bring you along to show you the different steps as I go along. It is so difficult for my friend here to work with me the way I want. He cannot hold himself, but to dig it in a little bit, at least a little bit, he cannot just leave it on top. So we're putting first a very light mulch on top of the tomato seed. I'm gonna go ahead and water it. We're gonna give it lots and lots of water. That's about it. In this method, this is all it takes to plant potatoes. So this is all for now. Assalamu alaikum.